channel and that's my channel.
Future boyfriend, kung gusto dyan ka nga mag-uyabta, sige i-replay lang minsan.
Hello guys! Good morning! Wednesday today and we're gonna do a JoJo on the Beat dance. Our practice video or maybe our final video and a practice video as well. Because we look shit. I'm gonna do a video, a whole video, but I'm just waiting for the package, and some of them are sponsored and I'll be ambassador of their online shopping. So I'm so excited for that. I'm so excited what they're gonna send me. Okay. Get slide. Jump. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Stay. You ugly. There you go. There you go. JoJo on the beat. JoJo. Okay. Walk in this party, these girls looking at skinny jeans on, you know my head. Okay. Juju on that beat. Now slide, jump, hit the floor, don't stop, hey, run a man on that beat, run a man on that beat, back, do your dance, hey. You your daddy's son, hey. Do your dance, hey. Go. Man jud unta ko ambot og naon sa to di jud ko kalimot nimo. Ay diri na lang ko kutob, diri na lang ko taman, dili na ko manghatag, magkatawa kong maghuna-huna, nganong naghatag ko papel nimo sa una. Di balimtanon man jud una ko, ambot og naun sa to, nahurot ako papel nimo. Apan karon nagbag-o na, ballpen man gani mawala, papel dili na lang ko kutob, dili na lang ko taman, dili na ko manghatag sa taong kusog mangayo, kay kung dijod wangon na ipog sanay, ay na lang, ay naog pang man classmate ko, patakalag pangayo. Nganuman mangayo ka og papel, nawa man ta ko'y papel. Tagaisad ko, be, unta karon ako makatuna. Nawa jud ko'y makuha, sige lang ko og